So now we will do human reproduction NCERT reading in just one shot. As you are aware, humans are sexually reproducing and viviparous. The reproductive events in humans include formation of gametes, gametogenesis, that is sperms in males and ovums in female. Transfer of sperms into the female genital tract means insemination, and fusion of male and female gamete means fertilization, leading to the formation of zygote. This is followed by formation and development of blastocyst, and its attachment to the uterine wall means implantation. Embryonic development means gestation, and delivery of the baby means parturition. So you have learned that these reproductive events occur after puberty. There are remarkable differences between the reproductive events in the male and in the female. For example, sperm formation continues even in old men, but formation of ovum ceases in women around the age of 50 years. So let's examine the male and female reproductive system in humans. So the male reproductive system is located in the pelvis region. It includes a pair of testes along with accessory ducts, glands, and external genitalia. So the testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity within a pouch called scrotum. The scrotum helps in maintaining the low temperature of the testis 2 to 2.5 lower than the normal body temperature, necessary for spermatogenesis. In adults, each testis is oval in shape with a length of about 4 to 5 centimeter and a width of about 2 to 3 centimeter. Now, each lobule, sorry, so in adults, each testis is oval in shape with a length of about 4 to 5 centimeter and a width of about 2 to 3 centimeter. The testis is covered by a dense covering. Each testis has about 250 compartments called testicular lobules. Each lobule contains 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules in which sperms are produced. Each seminiferous tubule is lined on its inside by two types of cells called the male germ cells, means spermatogonia, and Sertoli cells. So this is about the inside part of the seminiferous tubule. One male germ cell is there and means spermatogonia, and Sertoli cells are there. Male germ cells undergo meiotic division, finally leading to the sperm formation, while Sertoli cells provide nutrition to the germ cells. So Sertoli cells provide nutrition to the germ cell, and the male germ cells undergo meiotic division, finally leading to the sperm formation. The region outside the seminiferous tubule is known as the interstitial space, which contains blood vessels, interstitial cells, or the Leydig cells. So it also contains some immunologically competent cells. So one is blood vessels, second is interstitial cells or Leydig cells, and third cell is immunologically competent cells. So the Leydig cells synthesize and secrete testicular hormones called androgens. And luteinizing hormone acts on Leydig cells and facilitates for the production of androgens. Now the male sex accessory ducts include retitestes, ossiferingia, epididymis, and vas deferens. The seminiferous tubules of the testis open into the testis into the vasa efferentia through rete testis. Seminiferous tubules of the testis opens into the vasa efferentia through rete testis. The vasa efferentia leave the testis and open into epididymis, which is located along the posterior surface of each testis. The epididymis leads to vas deferens that ascends to the abdomen and loops over the urinary bladder. It receives a duct from seminal vesicle and opens into urethra as the ejaculatory duct. These ducts store and transport the sperms from the testis to the outside through urethra. The urethra originates from the urinary bladder and extends through the penis to the external opening called the urethral meatus. So seminiferous tubules open into rete testes, and from there it goes to vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia leaves the testis and opens into epididymis, and then vas deferens. Vas deferens receives a duct of seminal vesicle and both opens into urethra. So the penis is the male external genitalia. It is made up of special tissue that helps in erection of the penis to facilitate insemination. The enlarged end of the penis, called the glans penis, is covered by a loose fold of skin called foreskin. The male accessory glands include paired seminal vesicles, a prostate, and paired bulbourethral glands. Secretions of these glands constitute the seminal plasma, which is rich in fructose, calcium, and certain enzymes. Now, the secretions of bulbourethral glands also help in the lubrication of the penis. The female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries along with a pair of oviducts, uterus, cervix, vagina, and the external genitalia located in the pelvic region. These parts of the system, along with a pair of the mammary glands, are integrated structurally and functionally to support the process of ovulation, fertilization, pregnancy, birth, and child care. Ovaries are the primary female sex organs that produce the female gamete, ovum, and several steroid hormones, ovarian hormones. The ovaries are located one on each side of the lower abdomen. Each ovary is about 2 to 4 centimeters in length. And is connected to the pelvic wall and uterus by ligaments. Connected to the pelvic wall may be connected रहता है and uterus may be connected रहता है by ligaments. Each ovary is covered by a thin epithelium which encloses the ovarian stroma. The stroma is divided into two zones, a peripheral cortex and an inner medulla. The oviducts means fallopian tubes. Uterus and vagina constitute the female accessory ducts. Each fallopian tube is about 10 to 12 centimeters long and extends